Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this video, we want to kind of go over what it's like when you have everything tied together, when you have this whole arsenal of indicators we've talked about. We've talked about convergence and divergence and congruence. From our past videos, can you see anything happening in the market? Right in here, we're starting to see congruence, and right over in here, we're starting to see divergence. Okay, what's the market doing? It's starting to change. We have heads up on that because of the understanding of the CDC is what we call it. Then you want to be able to find the highest probability trades. So we need to know how to look a couple of time frames larger, a couple of time frames smaller to see how those things are going. Now, there's a lot of emotions involved in trading. And when you have exact entry and exit signals and things that you know that's when that setup happens, you can pull the trigger and have a high probability of having a successful trade. That takes a lot of the emotion out of trading. And then just learn to trust your indicators over time. Keep records. How will you know whether you're winning or losing if you don't keep records? Oh, you might see a few dollars going to your account, but do you know why they're going in to your account? That's what keeping records will do for you. We show you you're always creating watch lists. The alerts bring watch lists to your attention. Once you know the setups, then you can see them coming and put on a watch list, and when that setup happens, you take it. We showed you examples of how that happens. Mega trades. These big trades like this is what we want you to get into. That was only 300 pips. But what if you'd been trading this whole trend here? There's been hundreds and hundreds of pips in there. And that's what we want to show you how to do, is get into those mega trades. There are a couple of strategies, like how to find second legs and first legs. These are terms that we use. But once you know the setups, we've had traders come in and make from 200 or 300 pips a week, all of a sudden using just one of these strategies we talked about, going to thousands of pips per week on a regular basis. And then how do you add on? How do you make more money by seeing the trend going and taking a bunch of trades in that same direction? Now there's a camelback, and it can be used as the first entry signal, or it can be used as an add-on signal. Many times the candy bar can be used as the first signal, or it's great as an add-on signal. I use it either way whenever I see them. Sometimes you do miss some because you're not in the computer, you don't have your alert set. All of a sudden you see it, you take it, and boom, you're off to the races. And then the zone trade, which once you get into the trading with a zone move, then you have confidence that the market has some strength in going in that direction. It's not as easy for you to jump out of the trade. So this is just kind of tying it all together. What if you would be able to do this on a regular basis? What if you were able to become good at just one of these strategies and make hundreds of pips on a regular basis? Being able to sit down at the computer, maybe you don't take a trade, but you create a watch list, and the trade comes a couple of hours later, and you're not having to sit there in front of the computer. Just imagine how that would feel if you were able to do that on a regular basis. So we're going to be able to show you how to do these things. We've been able to show people within 2 or 4 months how to become profitable in their trading account. Now this would be something that you would be interested in and want to take advantage of, right? So go ahead and click on the link below and get signed up for our webinar. Then you're going to see more detail of what we're really talking about in these trades. So we're looking forward to talking to you there and getting you up to speed so you make hundreds of pips per trade and thousands of pips per week. What if you just made 1,000 pips per month? That would make you excited, wouldn't it? And being able to do that on a regular basis. Just think how fast your account would grow. You would really want to be taking advantage of that, right? Okay, we'll see you in the webinar, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.